This arch is not a bridge but a hydraulic gate to prevent flooding. Shirinashigawa River floodgate has been protecting Osaka for over 50 years. It works with 2 other gates to prevent typhoons and tidal waves. The floodgate was also designed to facilitate the passage of cargo ships. Operators can lower the 98 feet high arch in about 30 minutes to block the river and stem the influx of storm surges. However, due to overflow and aging problems, Osaka Prefecture has decided to dismantle all 3 floodgates and rebuild them into rolling gates in the next 20 years.